set you free. Your hands down to the river, get down on the ground. Going down to the river, get down on the ground, and watch the waves of the water wash my tongue